What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. Let's talk about the tomb in Call of Duty Black Ops Zombies and how to get to the Pack-a-Punch machine and the one new mechanic with it. First of all, starting off in this very beginning area, I'd recommend activating the Rampage Inducer on the far west side just to make these first few rounds go quite a bit quicker. You'll need a bit of cash to get through. You'll see the amount on screen now. So we'll finish this first Vermin round 5, and that should be enough cash to get through. So there we go, we've finished round 5. I'll deactivate the Rampage Inducer. We'll make our way through this door up here, so on the northern side. From here, we'll spend $22.50 to get through here. Then the next door will be a further 2,500 essence. Then further on, right over here, the next door and last door will be 2,750, leaving us with $1,000 left over, start of round 6. Then at this pedestal right over here, we'll simply just interact with it and we'll place an item which should open up a portal door into the Aether over here. Archibald will tell you this is the door to nowhere, so we can head through here as such. And inside of here, you'll see right in the center, we have a Pack-a-Punch machine here. Now, the weird thing about this is that it works as usual. Same prices, but behind it there's a map over here. There's 2 different locations that this Pack-a-Punch machine can be. One is here in this doorway to nowhere, and the second way is if we use any of the 4 exits here, all the way back in spawn where we started. So on the far west, you'll see the second spot that this thing can be is all the way up here. So on the eastern side of this far western dig side. So right over here, you'll see a headless statue, which we can later on put a head on, and over here, next to these 2 bowls, you'll find this. This is the map showing you where the Pack-a-Punch machine currently is, where you are, and of course, they'll be swapped around between these 2 locations pretty much randomly throughout different rounds in the future. You'll see it vanish, and it'll appear at the other point. That's really it. Hopefully you found this quick Pack-a-Punch guide useful. This is the Tomb Black Ops 6 Zombies. My name's been Troubleshoot, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.